Yeah.
Okay, so very warm welcome to Vivekanand, and I'm so happy, friends. You all know that this is a series where we feature the members, those who have achieved something substantial, and this is Wall of Appreciation. Wow! So, what is this Wow? Wall of Appreciation is a series wherein we invite the members, those who have achieved, like either in maybe in terms of getting salary hike or getting new position or able to implement their learnings. So today with me, I would like to welcome and appreciate Vivekanand. A very warm welcome.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Yes, sir.
I'm so happy, Vivekanand. I know that I'll ask you a few questions. That's the kind of format we have, and the basically purpose is that so that we can inspire the new generation, we can inspire new people because we see that there's a lot of I can say negativity in the core engineering space that
Yes,
there's
yes.
less growth or there is low growth or it's hard to grow. So first, I would like to know, tell something, about you to our community members and about your past, what were you doing before you become part of SubMastery Community?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, I was passed out on 2011. So I started my career from Jindal Aluminum Limited as a QC supervisor.
Mm.
So QC supervisor, almost 5 years I worked in the Jindal Aluminum Limited. Just I know the what is the process is happening and how to do the inspection. That's it in the 5 year. Then I change the company. There I get position, but the work is same. I didn't learn anything. I understand the standards and all, product means inspection standards and all. Other than I used to see QA manager, QC manager, auditors, and some higher authorities. Just I imagine how what they have the knowledge.
Yeah.
So how they become like this. When I will be became like this. Just I am searching the what are the knowledge they have. Then I didn't because nobody's cooperate me to learn. So nobody is involving to take this training, this, that. So in a career, nobody will guide you go in this direction. Maybe out of 100, 2 or 3 bosses will support you to do this, do that. Other than why you this is not your job. You should do this. Your responsibility is this. So in this kind, then after that I came to Dubai also, sir, in the same because I worked with the aluminum industry.
Mm.
He has here a lot of opportunity in the aluminum sectors. So after I came, I realized here I saw some European managers and all.
Mm.
Then I realized yes, IATF is there, QMS is there. Then I have to learn about the core tools, then Six Sigma, lean manufacturing. Then I started to search internet here and there. So where I will get the good place. So unfortunately, really, I nobody referred to me SubMastery.
Mm.
I don't know how connect to SubMastery. One day, I joined the WhatsApp group.
Wow.
So
Mm.
after that, I attend your awareness course and trainings and all. Then I understand this is the best platform for me to learn. Then I started first IATF.
Mm.
IATF. Then I complete the course IATF. I get some confidence
Mm.
how means how to conduct the audit. Then I show to our boss. I get the internal auditor certificate. So now I have the. I'm not saying 100% knowledge. I am the competent to conduct the internal audit.
Yeah.
If you involve me or if you just support me, it is good for me. Then just easy. Okay, we will see in future.
Mm. No, he didn't give
Then
you
after
chance
that,
that time. He didn't give you.
yeah,
He said will actually. He said that we'll see into future, but he didn't give you chance that time. But at least you
yes,
have shown him that yes, I have done something, and I want this opportunity so that in the organization,
yes.
please allow me to do internal audit. That's good. Good.
Yes, sir. After that, I didn't stop. After getting the IATF certification, I joined Core Tools,
Mm.
and then again, I interested to learn full management packages. IMS I joined. So after that, lean manufacturing. So step by step, I learned, sir. After that, I feel I want to change my job. Then I try for the job. After I think after join Submastery 8 or 9 months,
Mm.
I changed the job. Here, actually, I'm trying for the senior QA engineer or QC
Mm.
engineer.
Mm-hmm.
So luckily, I got here QA manager position.
Oh wow.
I, I joined here. Then here, system is all good. Then they told me we have IMS management system and
Mm.
separately IATF. So we have to handle this.
Mm. Okay.
And
Now you got
it's very
opportunity. New company, you got opportunity. In the old company, you didn't get that opportunity.
yes, sir. They have the system everything,
Yeah.
but they because they have the manager. assistant manager is there. So I didn't get the chance to means what execute my knowledge.
So
So
this is also
then
learning,
here,
like many people feel like demotivated. They say that my present company is not giving me opportunity. But I think in
yes,
your case, your your past company didn't give you opportunity, but this new company where you joined as a QA manager, this company actually
yes,
gave you this opportunity.
yes. How they give, sir? Because I have the confidence. I
Yeah.
learned the system during the interview. I explained everything, how it is happened, means how it is start, how it is ending, how to face the audits, external auditors, and all. How we will continue the improvement. So these are the things I explained during the interview. So then they are impressed on that the point of the answer. So that's where they get the confidence. Yes, this guy will be able to do the job. So then after that, sir, because I learned after that lean manufacturing and all, so I get more knowledge about the manufacturing industry. Then here, luckily, our company compete with the business excellence award. So
Oh,
that
nice.
chance, I got that chance to make the reports and all.
Mm,
Then I understand what is the criteria of the business. This what I learned from SubMastery. It will help to me do the business excellence report.
yes.
So luckily we got in the January month Dubai Excellence Award, Dubai Quality Award.
Oh, wow. That's
I
great.
shared in the group and LinkedIn. I think so you saw. So like this, so I am very really happy to as a SubMastery community member. So I hope until how much I capable to learn. So I'm stay. I will be with the SubMastery. So I'm very I want to ask I want to tell to our colleagues and all my friends, please join to SubMastery. You will learn in your career. So this is the one community only support you to learn in your growth. Whatever you want, you will become in that.
I think one thing which Vivekananda you have shown, like because you were very continuous in learning and you were investing one after another. I know that you have done like all the courses. I believe maybe you are one of those members who have completed like all the courses, whatever courses the SubMastery has launched. You have almost jumped in, and you were the first
Yes.
member. Like, yes, I want to do this. You did, I think, lead auditor, which was SubMastery organized. You did like all the courses, Core Tool, IATF. So like what, and at the point when you were doing those courses, I know that, and in your previous job, you were not getting that advantage immediately. And I know that definitely none of the people get immediate advantage. Yes, of course, their confidence get to a next level. But what was in your mind? Like what made you to, invest in this learning?
Sir, if some of the means my colleagues, even me also before, see, if you want to grow, okay, company will invest
Yeah.
us. We will see if they want, they will invest us. So in this mind, so some of the people they are missing the opportunities. So what I realize, somebody even 5,000 also they are crying. Why I want to invest myself? But I understand when I invest on myself with the SubMastery, I I will change my level in the one step.
Yeah.
Whatever I spend, maybe some money, it's a different, but my knowledge is different now. My confidence is different now. And the thing, if I pay the amount to SubMastery, definitely there is no chances to failure on that money. So what I paid is a lifelong, I am getting the lifelong learning from the SubMastery. Because sometime I have a good mood, I will attend the live classes. if
Yes.
if by mistake I can't able to attend the live classes, record will be there. When I all the time our mind will be ready for learning.
Yes.
So when our mind is ready for learning, our concentration is more. We can go through the SubMastery app. There is a classes recording will be available. So this will really very impressed me, sir. So that's what it was. I believe if I pay the SubMastery, it will be lifelong with me. My money is with me.
That,
It's like that.
and this is very, very important. Like you said, that it's very important to invest. And I see people like they buy like they aspire to buy like iPhone and big I can say the the costly clothing and all that. But yes, there are so less people like who think about investing in their own mindset or in their own learning, so that everything will come. Like if you invest in your learning, and
Yes,
then
yes.
those things are bound to come, right? But definitely we need to have patience for that. Okay, I want to ask you this one thing. Like you talked about initially in like engineers, like in the beginning that you started your job as a supervisor, and I know that I think you did mechanical engineering. You are a mechanical engineer.
Mechanical engineers, yes, sir.
And you know that SubMastery, we have lots of mechanical engineers who are part of our community, and like they have some negative perception that about like growth, like and they believe that yes, they try to compare that with the like information technology business and all that. And now I think how much you are getting, like how much salary hike you got?
Sir, as I told, when I was before joining SubMastery, I'm earning because I'm working in Dubai. So
Hmm.
one lakh 1 lakh Indian rupees I'm
Yes.
getting every month.
Wow.
So after what I learned management system from the SubMastery, what are the scores I have did. After that, when I changed the job, I get here in Indian money 1 lakh means almost 18 lakh package.
That's 50% salary hike, right? That's really a huge jump, right? So 50% salary hike.
Yes.
So I want to ask you that number one thing which like, and I've seen like not only you, like we have seen other members of the community. And the one example I came to my mind, Lakshman. You know, he joined one multinational company and he got 50% salary hike. And there are people like in our community who got 30 to 50% salary hike. So that means number one, it is possible, right? It is possible to get
Yes,
salary
of
hike.
course, sir.
Number two, like you're on 18 lakh package, like of course you're in Dubai, so definitely maybe there is a small difference, but I believe in India also people are getting like these kind of packages. So
Yes, sir.
it's not that, you know, in Dubai, so that's the reason only you are getting
Depend
this.
the age and experience, how many years experience, how many, means what
Yeah.
is your age, the management will be decided. So my age only now 31, 32. The 32 I just I'm running, and the
Yeah.
experience is 11 years. So it will matter, sir. So that is the reason I didn't make demand for them. Okay, I need the position right now. So whatever I'm getting hike from the previous past salary, so that I accept this offer.
That's it. And I believe some people who might be watching and thinking that, okay, Vivekananda is in Dubai, so that reason he got this 50% salary hike. It's not like that. In India also, like people get this 50% salary hike. And as far as this package is concerned, yes, it could be 10-20% difference. I don't think, like, is there any large difference between salaries of engineer in Dubai versus India? What do you think?
Yes, sir. Of course, here is there. So nowadays, salary structure is some bad, but here is there, sir. But difference is there. So it
How much,
depends
like,
on the
is it 20,
company.
30% or is it more than 50%?
Like uh, 30 to 40%,
30 to
sir.
40%. It's not that high. Like, it's not, because cost of living
Yes.
definitely will be on higher
No,
side.
no, not like this. Yes.
So it's not that too much gap is not there. Like 30%
This
around
depend
20.
upon experience, sir.
Depend
If
upon
you, sir,
experience.
India, if you
Hmm.
started as a fresher as an engineer, maybe
Hmm.
15,000, 18,000, 20,000. If good company, 25,000. The what is it? The campus selection student is different. So
Yeah,
just
yeah, of course.
so
And,
here, if you completed as an engineer 5 year experience, maybe you will earn 1 lakh per month.
yeah, I
So,
understand. So it will be around the 30 to 40% like difference is definitely there, but there are like other expenses. So, and many of our viewers, like members, would be interested to know like how you went to Dubai. Like tell about that in a story. Maybe many of our
uh,
members can get inspired.
sir, as I told you, my experience in the aluminum industry.
Hmm.
In the Gulf, the aluminum field, there is a lot of scope. The scope in the aluminum industry, like extrusion industry, rolling industry, and some powder coating and anodizing industries, they have the use scope.
Hmm.
So when means that time I was working in Nagpur, sir, in Dalco, Aditya Birla Group of companies in Dalco.
Hmm.
So then I tried with one of my friends told, so you have almost 7 year experience, just to try in Gulf.
Hmm.
Then I used to try with the Naukri Gulf and also.
Oh.
Then I don't know. Luckily, seriously, I didn't try. Luckily, I I got my CV is shortlisted. They did the interview. Then maybe they satisfied with my means when during the interview.
Technical background, yeah. Hmm.
Yeah, technical background. So they ask just only for the what is the process controls and all, how the quality defects, what are the defects will come,
Hmm.
and how to handle the customer complaint, how what is the corrective actions for
Hmm.
this defect, that defect, some like the technicals they're asking. Then I really answered, so they satisfied, then they hire me. After came here only I understand I need to learn management.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
When you, so like Do you mean that members who want to go to Gulf countries, so they can apply through Naukri.com and all these
Yes,
websites are also
if they
available. Indeed,
have
also
the confident, I will face the interview. I have the deep knowledge in the process. Definitely, if requirement is there, somebody will hire. So good companies, definitely they will take through the Gulf. Not companies, sir. In India, there are some agencies. They will shortlist our CVs.
yes.
Then they will contact us. After that, they will check means how many year experience. Where they will verify all the documents. Then they will refer to the company. After that, once interview will be done, then they will exit agencies. Then company will directly contact with us.
But one thing I found that, many times we get to hear a lot of, bad stories where the agencies people loot people, and so how do you
Yes,
differentiate, how
yes.
do you identify which one is good agencies and which one are bad agencies? So just I'm
Sir,
asking this question so that this might be beneficial for some of our members.
the agency means, sir, whoever asking the money. So definitely, I'm sure here the good agency they will not ask the money. Once your interview will be done, they will say send me the documents. So after that, they will send the offer letters and all. We need to agreement. There is agreement and offer letter signatures. They will ask. So after that, they are asking documents for the visa. So some companies they are taking the money for medical, these that. So these are fake. So I believe if anybody asking the money, don't take a risk.
Okay, that's the number one. Like anybody asking money, so
And
that
if you
that's
have any friends and any relatives in Dubai, then you can. So in the visit visa, you came, and if they will search your job, maybe there is chances to get the job, sir.
That's another way, right? That's another way.
Yes.
I really appreciate. Okay, great. I think that will be maybe helpful for some of our members. And I believe we have like 2,000 plus paid members in our community, out of which I believe there are minimum, like I believe 50 to 60 members are there, maybe in Gulf countries and in Dubai and all that. So okay, so coming
Yes.
back to that your experience of learning, and you are now heading this quality and QA and QC. So as you said that you also help your company in getting this award. So what is the kind of attitude and the response like you now get to see from the people who are working with you? Like, of course, you feel confident, right? But what's the change you have observed when you were in previous job where you had less knowledge, less confidence, and now you have more confidence and you have also helped your company getting awards. So what's the change in the attitude of people you have seen around you?
Sir, when we are implementing or when we are managing the management systems in the company, if we have a good knowledge, when people have doubt, we have to clear with the clear what is the requirement in the standard. According to that, we have to explain in the well way. The way is how they are understand. So in this case, if we are make them understand, definitely they will start to follow us. So this is happened here. So when I came, maybe they don't know the standards and system. They will do according to who teach them before, like that they are doing. So after that, I told them this is which is okay, which is not okay, why we want to do this, then what benefit they will get from the way of work. So they understand, yes, this guy have some knowledge of the system, then they start to follow. Before, sir, I am little fear in the stage fear and all in front of the higher managers to talk. And when I get the confidence through learning, I'm giving the training nowadays.
Oh, wow. That's really good.
Yeah, really, sir.
I
Like
appreciate it.
internal awareness trainings and all, I am conducting here. Really, I am very proud to myself because of Arun sir teach me like that. The internal awareness training and all I am conducting here. So I'm very happy for that. And maybe during the audits and also that time, I know as you teach me during the courses that time, what is right, what is wrong, how to negotiate with the auditors. So these are really helpful for me. So now it's okay, sir. Completely see the sometime what happens, sir. Some of the people they don't want to support.
Yeah.
So
That will
that
be
time
there
I
always.
understand.
These kind
Yeah.
of people will always be there in any
Yes,
organization.
so they don't want to understand. That time we need to take support from the management. If management is supporting us, definitely that will happen. So what is happening is there, what is the wrong, what they need to write. So this point we have to explain them.
Right.
Uh,
One question I would like
for me,
to.
sir, for me, I didn't face it is difficult. So if you have a knowledge, definitely we will convince them. Yeah.
So one thing
This
you
is
said that
okay.
knowledge and confidence is the key foundation, like, and you will get through that initial trouble. And so you get this, now you are also giving trainings, and it gives you a lot of sense of satisfaction that you are also sharing knowledge. And what I believe that
Yes.
if you or anyone else like share the knowledge, that's how people also get more confident. Their confidence gets
Yes,
to the next
yes.
level. I think I recommend everyone who's a member of watching this, show in, definitely they should try to teach, and this is what always they
Of
drive,
course, sir.
even like, yeah,
When we are attending the training, when we are getting the certificate, so it will just for showing the certificate.
yeah.
But when we are trying to do the practically,
Mm,
and I feel okay, I am copying from someone,
mm,
but when we are explaining someone, I will get the confidence. For
yeah.
that, I am trying to explain. This is what
Definitely.
I learned from you also.
I really appreciate this. And one thing, like coming back to my previous question, that nowadays we see a lot many engineers like who are from mechanical background, so they have this negative perception about around like there's a slow growth. I know, yes, there's a like slow growth because of the supply and demand, kind of thing. Of course, there are a lot many jobs nowadays in data analytics and data science. A lot many people are interested in that. Nothing wrong with that. It's all about like your interest. You should be interested. Like I love being a part of
Yes.
manufacturing. I love something which is happening in front of me, and making my hands dirty like that. So what's your like take on this? Like, are really the engineers or mechanical engineers are that kind of profession, or yeah, there's a lot of scope. Like still, there's a lot of scope.
From my side, if we want to grow any in the career,
Mm.
first we have 1 year, 2 year experience. Definitely, we will learn our process, what is happening inside the plant, everything we will learn. But no, as I told, managers are not teaching you what they are doing. So they are doing management system works only. They know the procedures, formats, and everything they know. So if they want to learn, definitely I will recommend SubMastery. Please join to SubMastery team. Learn IMS math system and IATF system. What are the manufacturing courses are there? All completely set available in the SubMastery. They join. If they are interested, if they set their mind, definitely 200% they will grow in their life.
Yes, yes.
I did same. I
Mm,
did same.
mm.
But I'm not 100% okay. But 70% I feel yes, I am in right way. I am in the right way.
So it's not about comparing, right? Definitely, each field has its own like phase. Okay, there was a time when civil engineering was at the peak. Then there was like
Yes.
mechanical engineering, then electrical, electronics, then IT, computer science, and that's a cyclic kind of thing. And after, like, I was talking to one of my member, and he was telling that maybe after 10 years, 15 down the line, those states will again go down, and then it's a cycle, right? Up and down, like what happened with the economy. So yeah, of course, it's all depend on your interest. And as you said rightly, that in whatever field you are, if you are learning, if you are enhancing your competence, nobody can stop you to grow in your career.
Yes. Knowledge only everything, sir. Knowledge will give respect. Knowledge will give growth. Knowledge will give money. Everything. So this knowledge, how it will come through our mindset
Mindset.
and how we will spend the time on learning. So
That's
this
it.
will, of
I
course,
think
sir.
you have a lot of like you have this positive mindset, and the thing which you didn't depend on the organization, because I believe those there are engineers who think that they will depend upon organization. Now they have joined organization. It's their responsibility. Most of the time, organization do not. You said rightly, they don't have time. They don't have this focus, and they will not spend, let's say, on you. Or even if they spend, they will spend 1 or 2 days of training, and then that won't be sufficient, because unless until there is a structure, assignment, activities, community, definitely it's very difficult to retain that knowledge and learn. So I think Vivekanand, you are like really an example for a community wherein you got like 50% salary hike, and it's not about the salary hike. It's all about like getting that confidence, adding value to the organization, and making like others believe that yes, if our one of our friend can make progress, we can also make progress. So I'm so happy, to feature you in the wall of appreciation. If any message you would like to give to your fellow members, right, who might be in your shoes, what is that message you would like to
Yes,
you
sir.
would like to
Whoever watching this video, I would like to tell them, if you want to really, professionally, you want to become a good career growth, please join the SubMastery. From A to Z, everything you will learn from them. So the way of teaching, I am 200% sure you will be understand. Even every sentence, every word they will explain uh, in the better way. So, and they will give the live class recording. It will help to lifetime access. They are giving lifetime access. Whenever you feel, whenever you get the doubt, you can go and open the SubMastery application. You can clear your doubt, and they will give the good means respond whenever you want. Just you call, you email, so timely they will give the response through your email and calls. So I hope if you whatever you spending for the SubMastery, but it will help you in the big level.
So good,
This
Vivekananda.
one
I'm
I
so
want to
happy,
say.
to see your success story. And this is what I believe that, when people get inspired by looking at the real success stories, and you are one of them. I'm so happy. So, and thank you very much for coming to this show, and thank you very much, and all the best wishes
Thank you.
for you. And maybe, we are also thinking to plan this, now COVID is getting over, and also the markets are opening up. Maybe we are planning to do this offline meet also. So maybe I think if we come to India or maybe in Dubai also, we can plan maybe.
You sir, if you come Dubai, we will meet once. No problem,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. Thank you very much, Vivekanand, and all the best for you. And thank you very much for coming to show again. Many congratulations from all of us. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much for your entire team and your coach, best coaches. We have some best coaches.
Yes.
So all the coaches, I would like to say thank for them,
Thank
especially
you.
for you, sir.
Yeah, thanks, Vivekanand. Thank you very much.
Yes.